Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And the job today is that I'm really interested on installing Anaconda as environment to develop my Python codes. And what I will do now is I will go here to Anaconda and I will find, yes, basically the link for download. Let me put over here Anaconda download. Okay, and then we must have here individuals, yes, and we want to find is here which version do we want to use. Okay, and as you can see over here we have Anaconda and we have the handler for Python 3.7, and that is the one that I will be using. Okay, I will select the version for 64 bits, and that is the one that is matching this CPU. Remember, this computer is a Dell Latitude E6430, and this machine is equipped with Intel Core i5. Okay, what I will do now is here I will say, okay, yes, I would like to download Anaconda, and as you can see here in this screen, I am downloading this version for Linux. It's the x86 or 64 bits installation, and the file is a sh file. Okay, what I will do now is I will say yes, okay, download it, and at this moment the software will be downloaded, the file will be downloaded. You can see over here the file is 522 megabytes, and we are downloading the sh file. Okay, it will take around 1 minute depending on how fast is your Wi-Fi or your LAN network. Okay, and let's wait until the file is fully downloaded. And because we are using Ubuntu, the installation, it's a bit different to the installation that we are used to for Windows. Okay, and that is my next step. My next step is we need to use the terminal or the console here in order to install the file. Okay, what I will do now is, let me see something here. Yes, okay, what I will do now is I will start with opening the terminal. Okay, let me close this because it's annoying me. Okay. Okay, yes, right now, well, what I want to do is I will go to all my applications, and one of the applications here must be the terminal. Let me find terminal. Yes, it's here. Yes, and okay, now it's time to do a bit more interesting stuff. Okay, well, what I will do now is basically I will tell Linux to install, let me put here, yes, what I'm telling now is please take from download folder the Anaconda installation file. In this case is the Linux 64 bits, and start the installation. Okay, please enter to continue. Yes, this is the license agreement. Of course, I agree. And then we say yes, we agree. and what we are doing is basically looking into the license agreement and the third-party software license and the cryptography information. And okay, and now the installer is asking if we agree with the license terms. Of course we agree, yeah. And now Anaconda will be installed inside a folder that the name is Anaconda 3, and it's located inside my folder Gonzalez-Longatt number 5, yeah. What I will do is I will press enter in order to confirm the installation, and right now the installation process start. As you can see, the installer is unpacking all the softwares and files that they are required in order to install. As you can see over there are many things going on at the moment, preparing and executing transactions and unpacking files and writing files at the hard drive. Okay, and now what is looking is, would you like to initialize the Anaconda, and I will say the conduct init, and I will say okay, let's do the following. Let's say yes. And right now what we are looking over here is no change. You can see all the paths for Anaconda 3, BIN, and so on. Okay, and as you can see over here, there is a echo at the screen that say that we fulfill install Anaconda. Okay, well, what I have done is I closed the terminal in order that the installation take place, and now what I will do is I will open again the terminal and see if my installation is properly done. Okay, what I will do to see if my installation is properly done, what I will do is right now conda update, and I will say all, and I will say yes. Now what is happening is that Conda is looking into the files and checking if there are some new version of the software that we already installed. And as you can see, it's automatically updating the different files of Anaconda. Okay, let's wait until the installation finish. And it's preparing and unpacking. Okay, and we suppose that everything is properly done. Let me see which version of Python, what is the Python version that we have here. And okay, it's telling me that we don't see, it's going to spell Python. Okay, Python. Okay, and now we can see that we have over here the installation of Python 3.7.7. Okay, what I will do now is I would like to see if Jupyter Notebook is working, and what I will do is Jupyter Notebook, and let's see. Jupyter is gonna spell. Okay, come on, what a day. Jupyter Notebook is installed, and right now we are having here Jupyter. And with this I will finish the video today, and as you can see I download Anaconda and I install Anaconda for Python 3.7.7, and I show you how to update Anaconda, and then I show you how to open Jupyter Notebook in your Linux computer. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.